Howdy, this is Janell at Tummy Temple, and today I'm going to show you how to most effectively dry skin brush. I don't personally use one of those long handled brushes. You might have one of those, and you can follow the sequence if you have one of those long brushes, but I'm going to use these exfoliating gloves, the kind that you might be used to using in the shower. But dry skin brushing really means dry skin brushing. When your skin is dry, you can get that little grip of the surface of the skin that moves that superficial lymphatic system, okay? So dry skin brushing is always going to start at the main nodes or the main drains of your body, which are right above the collarbones, and the direction is outward. So I'm going to use the tips of my fingers with these scrubby gloves to go out. Now I'm not pushing into my muscles, I'm not doing it really hard. The lighter, the better. Okay, so brushing dust off a table is a great way to think about it. Brushing outward, opening up. Okay. My next stop is going to be in the armpits, another major grouping of lymph nodes here. And I'm going to open up this drain, and it's just, again, it's not, I'm not grabbing, I'm not pushing, I'm just doing a brisk opening here. And so this is downstream of all the lymph in the arm. That's where it goes to, right? So now I'm going to open up the arm, and I first started here, so this lymph in the arm has somewhere to go. Does that make sense? Everything has to flow back to this area that's open. Down comes the water from the stream. So I'm going to start by just doing a few swirls, again very light, very brisk, and then I'm going to swoosh, 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 these long strokes back down, and everything's flowing here, awaiting that lymph. Okay, other side, we go, moving down the arm, always from the hand downward. Remember, it's downstream to the big drain. Okay, and then some big strokes. Brisk, you can probably hear it, right? Sounds brisk. Okay. All right, the next spot, and I'll just go over my clothes. The next spot I'm going to open up is right here, right at the top of the rib cage, the rib ring. I'm going to move into this area, and I'm just going to sweep up and around, almost like you're making an M. Here, and then up and around, up and around. All this goes to here too, okay? All right, then from here, we already got this one open. I'm gonna go clockwise, so it's gonna look counterclockwise there, perhaps. I'm gonna go around, moving like you're going around the clock. Around the abdomen. We know we go this way because your colon goes up and around and down, so we follow the digestive tract. Right? So we start from the right and go to the left. Okay. Now everything from the belly button here is going to drain to these drains again as well. So I'm going to swoosh this and swoop up, swoosh up, swoop up, swoop up, swoop up. Even on the back of my body, I'm just going to use the back of my hands to do this. Then I'll sweep, sweep, sweep. Okay. And then everything from the belly button down goes out to here. So first I'm going to open up the drains. Here's the law of the downstream, right? We want to make sure that we undam the river, and then we'll take all of this material and we'll brush it down. And do the same thing from the back of my body to the front, okay? Now all the legs, the whole leg drains to here too. So I'm going to give these a little extra opening. You can go on the inside of your thighs, a little round to the outside. And then some people like to put their foot up on something as they swirl up, make sure you get the back of the knee. We actually have a major drain there. And then swish, swish, swish up to the top. Other side, to the bottom. A couple passes like that. Don't forget to get in the back of your knee. And swoosh, 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 swoosh. Excellent. Okay, one more. Big drain on the back of the head. Get in there, move that around, and then swish at a diagonal to the front. And then, at last, we'll take out all the garbage. All the lymph in the body has to come back here before it goes out, right? So we're just gonna open up where we started. Boom, you're done. Start your day feeling a lot brighter in your lymph system. All right, thanks everybody.